always start a conversation with my hands before I start talking? Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Quay for those of you who don't know, and we're back on a real-time unboxing and review video. Now what I got to open up with you guys is a pair of Nike Dunks in the high silhouette, and they're coming in the camo colorway. Now I was surprised at first to see these just readily sitting on sneakers, but then I was like, hold up a minute. That's the only way I can win on sneakers, so I'm not even mad. So if you do watch this video and end up thinking, nah, do you know what, these are a bit of me, I want to pick these up, they are readily available still on the sneakers app on sizes 2.5 to 8. Sorry man them and the big footers, this is a women's exclusive, so there is no extended sizing here, but let the girl them have one for once, innit? So enough with the chat, let's jump into it. As always then, this is a real-time review. We've got the box here straight from Nike, so we're just going to go ahead and open her up. I can't lie, this seems like an extra big box, especially like, I got a size 5. Like, I know the box in here ain't finna be that big, but yo. Can you see I've learned to pull the pull tab away from my face so I don't get slapped up. Here we've got the box then, and we don't have that generic purple dunk box. These are a pair of highs, and we have just been lumbered with this generic ass Nike looking box. I feel like every man and his dog has seen this if you're a sneakerhead or not, so I won't really run down too much on this. We kind of have that, you know, red orangey box color, Nike detailing on the front and the sides and whatnot. As always, we've got our sizing here also, and I could probably go down to a 4.5 in women's, but we just played it safe and we got a 5. Open it up. Again, I won't waste any more of your time. It's just generic tissue paper. So here's the moment of truth, right? Because they loaded these on sneakers and it really flew under the radar. Like, nobody was on these. I didn't even see anyone chatting about them. But I kind of rated it. But I got this awful feeling like, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be executed as well as I think it is going to be. Oh no, these are cold. Oh, people, you need to get on this one. Kind of gives me like boot vibes. But like, you know, there's finna be comfort in this. Jumping into detailings then, as you can see, this whole upper is in a canvas material. It is spongy and durable. I'm not gonna knock it. As you can see, it is in this camo colorway, and as someone who grew up with a half brother who was in the army and a full brother who liked to dress up, I can go ahead and tell you that this is desert camo. And I really like the theme here. They really like played it out super well. Not only is this canvas used for the uppers end, it's also used for the overlays, and pretty much everything you see on this shoe down to like the eyelets and everything, they've really kept it on theme. The swoosh tick detailing is again in this off kind of brown color just to keep it in theme. It kind of reminds me of just like army tactical wear, and even like these parts reminds me of like webbing. They've just themed it up so nice. We then have this woven tongue, which then you can see this Nike tag poking through. Just runs down into these brown laces, which is the exact same color as the swoosh tick detailing. Obviously with laces, you can always go ahead and swap them out. But I like this. I just like the army vibe. Like, you could kind of go in battle wearing this, but I know you couldn't. But if I ever got drafted, do you know what I'm saying? Heading inside then, we just have that Nike branding on the insoles. The inside kind of looks like my Yeezy Boost insole. Again, it just kind of looks like webbing. It's all just kept in theme, but apart from that, there's nothing else to chat about there. Then jumping down to that midsole, we have this white midsole. I think I read up that they were calling this sail, which I totally disagree with if that's what they're saying, because it just looks white. It definitely does not look like an off color to me. But hey, there you go. You can see this outer sole poking through, which kind of, to me, looks like translucent, semi-translucent. It reminds me of kind of the bottoms I have on like my skeleton Air Force Ones that look, well, my skeleton Air Force Ones glow in the dark. These just look like they're not finna light up. I don't think they do anyway. It's just giving that semi-translucent vibe. But the bottom itself is just a regular ass dunk. Let's talk about size, and then if you are thinking of going and picking these up, I would definitely recommend staying to your true to size. They fit blessed for me, no complaints. The only one minor thing I'm gonna point out is these were a bitch to unlace. It took a while. You really had to kind of pull these apart for a bit, and once your foot was in there, I didn't immediately feel straight comfort. I feel like these might need a breaking in period. They weren't uncomfy, but I think just because of the canvas that they're in, you might just want to break that in for your foot a little bit. But once you've worn them once, maybe twice, I feel like you're going to be blessed. Just a little roundup then. These are a clean kick. I think it's a clean colorway. It's very cohesive. It fits nicely. Like I said, after that breaking period, I feel like these are going to be just like some nice, I don't want to say beaters, but something you can just easily put on. The QC on it is actually tip top. I haven't really seen anything here, if I'm honest with you, which is quite a surprise because normally there's always one or two little things, but I actually haven't seen anything. I'm gonna not being blown away with them. They're a good medium kick. I'm gonna give them a 7. Alright guys, that's it for my little roundup and review of the Nike High Dunks. As always, be sure to leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think, because I feel like a lot of people just slept on this kick or didn't know it was coming out. As always, you can head over to all the other places I appear on the internet. Just type in @ShayCray and you're most likely to find me. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, because how else are you going to be a fly god if you don't subscribe? I don't know. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. I forgot to say that it's got a padded high top collar, but like, I don't want to assume everyone's into kicks so they just know, but isn't it a bit obvious? I'm sorry I forgot it. I'm putting it in now. It's got a padded high top collar. Away, the door just opened by itself and it freaked me out. Fuck's sake. Do you see that fly? Did it just fly in your face? I swear to God, yeah, this is a tangent, this is a story. That fucking fly has been annoying me for fucking days. I will open one window, he came in, yeah. Now every morning I'm waking up, I got a fly on my booty. I'm like, bruv, what are you doing? And I'm trying to slap the shit out of it, I end up just slapping myself. But he just won't leave me alone. It like comes and lands on my head and shit, and I'm asleep, wakes me up at 6 in the morning. It's taking a fucking piss. And you got a job to go to or something, bruv. Do you know what I'm saying? Little fly job with your little fly briefcase. I don't know. Anyway, we're not here to talk about flies, okay? Although, you'll be looking fly if you pick up these kicks. You know what I mean?